Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Fitness enthusiasts, get ready to crush your goals with a personalized workout planner designed in Canva. Follow along as we uncover the essentials and learn how to create a fitness schedule that keeps you motivated and on track towards success. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, in this video we will work on making something like that could help you make some kind of a fitness workout planner for your gym or for your partner in gym or for your student if you are a partner coach or like a gym coach, or for yourself even if you want just to have everything planned for yourself. If you want to organize everything in your day and have everything scheduled and planned, then this is something that I will highly recommend for you. Now, how we can actually make something like so? Well, as you can see, there is a lot of designs. So it's really varies a lot on what is your goal exactly. If you're just gonna make like a week, something like that, or schedule something like that, or have icons with exercises and like how many sets and how many repeats are you gonna make. So it really varies. In this video, we are going to talk about a lot of variations. So keep on with me. So first thing is I'm going to search in Canva for a workout planner or fitness planner, whatever fits you the best. And as we go throughout here, as you saw before, we have some planners that are already in Canva. So most of these are basically from Canva, so you don't have to actually go somewhere else and find them, or to simply go to Canva and create one from scratch. But as you can see, simply by going to Google and you will find here fitness workout planner, you will find below some pictures Canva. That means these images are basically from Canva, so you can actually start using them directly. Now let's say that you are going to use this one, so I'm going to click on it, customize this template, and as you can see, I have been taken to this page where I can literally adjust and change everything within this image. Now let's see what is the image composition. So first of all, we have the background, which could be easily changed to whatever image we would like. So simply by clicking double click on edit image, and or simply by just dragging another image on the top of it. So let's try to download. Let's go for world's best gym. Alright, so let me just take a picture of this, and what I'm gonna do exactly is just put it here and try to squeeze it in the background somehow. So you can try to do something like that, which is not really that professional. I would delete it and put it, for example, in the background also, which is not professional. But what you could do is simply go ahead into the background itself. So let me just remove that. Alright, so click on the background, and here you will find background color. So here you will find background color, which we don't need. We will find some documents color, etc, etc. You'll find the listen. Here you can copy style, but what we need is to find the background within the layers. So click on the background here. Let's try to find the positions, and it is the bottom one. So we need to here find this one and put it in the bottom of this layer section, so it can be in the bottom, doesn't hide anything, and then we can literally make it bigger as we want. And as you can see, the colors will start to change, and the vibe of this picture is actually starting to change. So the image, for me, this background especially, is more better than the other one. So now what I'm gonna do is to change the colors of this one and trying to find a color that will suit our progress in our work. What I'm gonna do is to choose the light color, which is right here. I think it's too bright for it. Let's try to actually adjust it to this one. Yeah, this one seems to be cool. And we can now start working on everything. So we can now start working on our plan. So here we can literally go and choose to change the plan of, for example, day 1 on the first week. As you can see here, let me just zoom in, and as you can see, basically this is how it works. Go here, for example, I'm going to do here 5 push-ups instead. I don't want to do roll-ups. Here leg lift. Here, for example, I don't want the rest day to be the 4th day. Instead, I want it to be the 3rd day. So I'm gonna copy these or move them to here as an example, put this here and move this around here. And yeah, this is now our rest day. From now on, we have the third day as our rest day. With that, we need to scrunch that a little bit and put this here, make it bigger, as you can see here. So we simply have to make it a little bit bigger, and it should be fitting the spaces or the space that we have created, or we can simply copy another triangle from another space and put it right at the top of it, and it will be still the same thing that we are trying to do. So these are multiple things that we have to work on. Also, within a template, you have to change some kind of other details that are very important. So let's go here into the bottom, and as you can see, there is the name of the gym. So you have to change the name of the gym in case you were planning to put this in your gym. You don't really want to have credentials for other gyms or to make people know that you are not that professional. So always make sure to put your logos everywhere within your picture, and here put your gym website in case you had one. In case you didn't, just simply remove it. And as you can see here, you can add your phone number. Well, now as you can see, we have only phone number. Well, it still needs some details since phone number alone is not really that good. So make sure to add like an address, add an icon for a phone. So we can go here and add an address for a phone simply just by having like a phone icon. That could be very simply added into our image. Just make it smaller and make it fit in the color or the vibe of your image. So I'm going to choose the white color. I'm going to zoom in, make it smaller than it is, and there we have it. So here we have like a phone number with a phone logo. Here we have a title for our image, and we have literally everything. Now, once it is done and you feel like you're ready to use it and post it in social medias, or basically send it to people, or basically just put it on a wall, then you have to print it. So of course, to print it, you have to download it first on your PC. So what you should do is to simply click here on download and make sure that you have the JPG file. Make sure it is on one size, and then make the quality at 100 in case you had Canva Pro. In case you had Canva Pro, you'll have a lot of basically features that will not be for the free version. So make sure to get it. It's very affordable and very useful for your work, for your project, for anything. You can literally make a logo within Canva in few minutes in case you want simple logo without any rush, or with a rush, or not a very professional one. And still, if you spend more hours on it, you can make a professional logo within Canva and literally add it here within your poster or your sport gym workout challenge, or whatever you can call it. You can call it even like a planner or whatever it is. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys a lot, and see you guys in the next tutorial.